Good morning. It's time for an adventure. We really should be at War in the Woods, but I've got my little girl, and although she loves racing, 6-hour drive. Yeah, mommy's going to a concert with her girlies, and so we are going to we're gonna go pick up something that I found on Facebook because, well, you'll see. You'll see. Best I can tell you.
That's an option you have.
What do you think? Yep. Thank you for coming with me today.
You're welcome.
We're gonna go eat after we get this, go pick up this car. I'll show you guys the car here in just a minute.
Heck yeah. Doors look good. Motor looks good. We got some front end damage, but it's all up under there. Stuff that we would tube front it if we ever used the body anyway. We'll put some air in here and get this Johnny loaded up. I got a little patch there. Nothing crazy. Hey, tell me what this smells like. Go in here. Get in it. See if you can drive it. I'm gonna have you drive it.
No.
Come on, drive it.
No.
Drive it.
Daddy,
Drive
no. No. Ooh, bee's nest.
Yeah.
Money more than I need a project car. I got that project car there.
Doors open good.
So the panel piece there, I think it's for this side.
Heck yeah. That's all. I mean,
And that, you probably know the metal piece in there is for that. I guess it's called a size code or
yeah.
whichever.
Oh yeah, down here. Yeah. I gotcha. Awesome. Heck yeah.
Now the trunk, it's got the keys
Nice.
in it.
Oh, I gotcha.
In there so that way it have it.
Yeah.
You gotta kind of wiggle it.
Oh, I'm sure. It's old school stuff.
But now this,
Heck yeah.
so I did buy it with the whole
Nice.
front piece just.
Boys, it is the morning after. Old girl still looks pretty good in this daylight too. Epic. Looks familiar, don't it? Eerily similar to something that happened almost 8-9 years ago, or however long ago it was. 7 years. No, it's 8 years. Love it. I mean, it's just a unit. All right, boys. Newest edition right here. Picked her up today. Check out this unit. All right, guys. So this is my new to me 2009 Smart Car 4.2. What a unit. I did this because you know, we can, one, I'm probably gonna daily this Johnny, but two, we you know, when we take it to the racetrack, we can drive this thing to hotels and leave the car and trailer parked So that's my plan. I sold the side-by-side, or a buddy or a coworker is buying it from me, and you know, it was a little long. I mean, it wasn't an issue in the trailer because its trailer is long, but one less payment. Got this Johnny for a deal, and now we can we got us a nice little car to push it, you know, easy to they make like the kits, everything to pull or push with these Johnnies, so we'll be able to do that real easy. So I am these things are weird. If you've never driven one with this like clutch, I guess it's almost like a DCT deal. It's almost like you've got a, like, hear it? No. It's almost like it's got a, I mean, it does have a clutch, but it's like you're shifting the gears. It's really, really weird. But we just drove it 2 hours home. Obviously, we got to put a windshield in it to get it legal and everything. And then, so pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. It's not big, that's for sure, but it's perfect for what we're going to use it for, and pretty awesome. So this video, you guys saw us go get a spare parts car for the Zephyr, and then this thing. I mean, what a unit. I mean, I'm pretty pumped. So if you guys got some recommendations on maybe some stickers, something cool to do this thing, we're going to name this Johnny, and I'm pumped. I'm excited. It does really, really good. Really good. So I think we just went 100 and shoot, at least 95 miles on, right at, if my guess is correct, 1.75 gallons. So I can deal with that. I can deal with that. So it's also going to be a little gas sipper. So I'm pretty pumped. 6.5 gallons to fill this Johnny up. I mean, what do you do? So, all right, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching. We got some things coming up. I'll talk about those whenever it happens with the car. I've got vacation and stuff like that, so I'm not going to be able to race for a couple of weeks. We've got a recital. Otherwise, I'd be going to Elk Creek this weekend. But my little baby girl is a little bit more important. So, but we also are dropping the car off somewhere and having somebody do a little bit of stuff to it. So, all right, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the